Well, good morning, everybody. Just getting all these lives going, and we're going to see how this flows today. All right, we are looking pretty good. Good morning, Niner. Good morning, sir. Good morning, good morning, good morning, traders. We're going to try printing some money this morning. We're going to be slow and steady base freaking hitting this morning for the NQ. And I'm excited. We're going to get more people in here. We're going to give you the stats, where the market's at, everything like that. So that way we can execute the way we need to this morning, trading the NQ futures. Good morning, Mikey. Good morning, sir. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, market makers. And good morning, TikTok. Yeah, we added TikTok to the stream now. So it's going to be a good old time. Yeah, we're going to have a great day today, bro. I'm excited. For all the folks on YouTube, if the stream start getting kind of weird or something like that, let me know in the chat, because I did add TikTok to our morning streams now. So just let me know. Yeah, if I gotta turn the stream off, I'll do so. We have 10 o'clock news today, so we do have 10 o'clock news today. Let me actually go pull that up so I can take a look at it myself. I said it yesterday, but nothing crazy. So we got the housing market index at 10. Housing market index at 10 here. And then we got news at 11:30 as well. But it's nothing that's moving the markets, I'll tell you that. Nothing that's moving the markets. Yeah, I'm just ready to execute this morning to our plan. Well, to my plan at least. Because I feel like we may be trying to build this bull flag up here above this pivot point. I looked at the markets earlier and I saw that flag form. I saw the flag form earlier. Oh, that's a big old bull flag right there. And then sure enough, that thing just pumped. So this morning, since 7:30-ish, well, 7:38, we had a bull flag at that time. Then we pushed up, dropped back down. Then another flag was formed, took us higher. So we've had multiple bull flags formed this morning. So I'm just waiting to see if I'm going to be able to jump in on one. Good morning, Rob. Good morning, brother. Hopefully you had a solid weekend. My weekend was pretty chill. Appreciate you asking. It was one of those things where I had to do some extra work over the weekend for one of the businesses, and I was up late one night because I was doing some admin work, and then I was just like exhausted the rest of the weekend, so I had to get some rest. So it was a rest weekend for myself. Good morning, Jose.
Good morning. Good morning. Been
What's up, bro?
out here trying to balance this. Man, I'm gonna be honest. I might just be transferring back to the home district. This drone business that I'm planning on launching is bigger than this job, and I'm like so ready to quit this job, but I need the comfort. I'm just ready to be back home already.
No, I feel that.
Trading and doing the business, it sounds, oh man, I'm promising. I'll tell you that.
No, I'm excited for you, bro. Because there's plenty of money with the drone stuff, because I myself, I looked into that like a while back, and there's so many different ways that you can make money with it. From the construction companies, from like realtors, from so many different avenues. It'll be good morning, Noah. Good morning.
Ready to spend this 10 grand. Let's go, Marcus. Help me spend 10 grand, Marcus. Come on.
Hey, from your lips to God's ears, from your lips to God's ears, we're going to see what we get. Because I'm all for a pump or a dump. I don't care. As long as it's clean. I want clean action today. As clean as possible. Friday's action was pretty clean. So that's what I'm hoping we get today as well. Because Friday, it was pretty clean. So now we're just going to see what we get. Good morning, everybody on all the streams. Make sure you're hitting that like button, that heart button, everything like that. So all the platforms will keep pushing these streams. We're getting ready for market open here. Trading the NQ futures. For all my YouTube fam, we're streaming right now on TikTok as well. We added TikTok. What's up, Jaden? Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you guys are ready to be dialed for today. Because I'm ready. I'm ready. This is looking like a massive bull flag. And if it wants to print for us, we're going to take it. We're going to make some smonnies. That's all I know. It is 9:27, so let me give you some of the stats where the stuff is at. So we got pivot point 352. 352 on the 2-minute chart for a pivot. 21 EMA sitting right there around 352.25 as well. 352.25 as well. Let's find that VWAP. We got the VWAP all the way down there at 149.25. 149.25. And the close from Friday, 173. 173 is the close from Friday. For me personally, yet we are on the NQ. If I'm looking for a move today to execute, let's not do that. If I'm looking for a move to execute, we have to have a clean flag and clean momentum. Like, don't just be clicking buttons just to click buttons. That's not what we're doing today. We taking our time, we waiting for our move, and then we execute. Because I don't know about y'all, we got 10 more days. 10 more days for this month to trade. With that being said, I want to capitalize on all 10 days if possible. And the only way to do that is wait for your A++ setup. And that's real. Gotta wait for that A++ setup. Because it's easy to click the button. Trust me, anybody can click the button. You gotta have the skill to actually make money from it though. Less than 2 minutes for market open. Less than 2 minutes for market open here. So hopefully you guys are as ready as I am. Market's getting ready to open in less than 2 minutes here. What do you guys think the market is going to do? It's going up or down? Is the market going to be going up or down here at market open? You let me know. I feel like we're trying to build a bull flag, but we're right below the pivot point right now. We're below this pivot, and that has me slightly nervous for a bull move. Oh, let me get that 5 minutes so you guys can see that as well. Yo, I'm so full right now. I have to drink 32 ounces of water when waking up. So I did that, and I drank a protein shake this morning. I didn't feel like cooking eggs and all that, so I just did a protein shake. And I am like full. Like craziness. All right, we're starting to come on below this pivot a little bit more there. All right, there's market open. There's the market open. Morning, Moose. How you doing this morning, bro?
Moose.
How you doing?
Hey, Dr. T's in here too. You snuck on in here. Hopefully you're doing well, Steve.
Chilling. Vagabond.
Changes to Dr. Doom.
Pivots act as support or resistance. Support or resistance.
Hey, why is your screen black, Dwayne?
My screen's black?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. Oh, what happened? Uh-oh. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
That's not good. And no one told me it was black. That's crazy.
I mean, I know that you like when you're setting up your accounts, but this is ridiculous.
Oh, I think I know why. How can I pivot? Yeah, no, I'm gonna just close that one. Hold on, folks. Trying something different here. What was that?
You ready to trade?
No. We should be getting it back here in a second.
Hey, it's Dwayne and more Dwayne.
Why is this not working? This thing was working. Now I gotta figure this out. I'm so confused. Because I don't want it in the streams. Let me see if I could add maybe. Hold on. Well, good morning, everybody. Hey, disruption always falls intention. Remember that.
Can you jump up and jump right back on?
I possibly can. I'm just trying to see. That's so weird. I added an extra stream today. I closed the other stream out because that may have been the reason.
Hey, man, your personality's enough. You know, we're not going to objectify the stream.
No, we want this right. There we go. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. Thank you for letting me know.
Just a few clicks and we're good to go.
It was more than a few clicks. I unplugged, I replugged. Like, well, hey, at least that gave me something to do so I would not take a trade before 9:45 here. I ended the TikTok stream, so I'm gonna have to figure out how I can have it split.
Oh, wow, you're on TikTok? I don't even mess with that. That's crazy.
Well, I had it, but the TikTok stream may not get to see the ring codes and all that next time because I'll redo it, but tomorrow I'll just have like my trading view pulled up on it because I ain't messing up my YouTube folks. You know what I'm saying? We ain't doing that. That was weird. All right. Well, now I'm ready to trade. I've been ready to trade. I've been ready all weekend.
Trade yet. You gotta wait 15 minutes.
No, I know.
I don't even know where we're going right now.
No, I'm waiting for you to say my favorite word.
The retracement?
The hour retracement. I see an hour retracement, but it's gotta, I don't know. I think it's gotta hit. It just hit my 50. Maybe from here we go up.
Well, we may try coming back down to maybe 195.75, 195.75, possibly.
195.75.
Yeah. What's up, Zudin? Good morning, everybody. Hopefully all you guys are staying safe in these crazy markets. We got news at 10 o'clock today as well. That's your quick reminder. News at 10 o'clock. News at 10 o'clock. We got some buying pressure right here. Let me get some yellow lines on the chart. I'm probably gonna have to run downstairs in a minute to go use the bathroom. Your boy drank like 64 ounces of water all at once.
All at once, he said.
Pretty much. 32 ounces of lemon pink Himalayan salt water. And then I did a protein shake with like 32 ounces of water as well. So just know your boy has slightly failed it right now.
You don't want to have ants in your pants and be taking trades because you have to take a leak.
That is true. That is true. I wasn't really hungry this morning, so I did a protein shake instead of making my egg whites and all that.
Yeah.
And yeah, not complaining about it. All right, it's 9:37. I'm gonna run downstairs real quick. Be right back.
Sounds he has a clock. Beat.
Yeah, look at this thing. Oh god, nothing much going on.
No, but I think it just bounced off my. It's above the hours above my 50 EMA, and then the 30 just bounced off right now off on my 9 EMA, and it's coming close to my 15 9 EMA. So I don't know. There might be the hour retracement if it closes below.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It's all over the place. To be honest.
Mm-hmm.
It's all over the place. Oh, I think after 10 o'clock, I'll be able to tell like more of a steady direction.
Yeah, it's kind of weird volume.
Yeah. My EMAs are somewhere too close to the other in one direction and close to the other in the other direction.
Don't worry, boys. I'm back. What I miss? What I miss?
Not a damn thing.
Just flipping.
Yep. Still sitting here. I'm thinking about doing something this week that I know some people will be excited about. I'm thinking about.
I was thinking about doing something this week too. What a coincidence! But I'm not going to tell you what it is. But there you go.
Well, I'm looking at adding one eval that I'm only going to trade for the Traders Hangouts.
How long have I been telling you to do that? I think that's wonderful. I think it's wonderful. I also think you should have one live account that has its own theme song, and you just blast it on a special occasion.
It would have to be the Rocky theme song.
There it. You know, that's it. Why not?
I feel like that would be the song of choice. Or the OJ's Money, Money, Money. That one too. You know what I'm saying? One of those two. No, because the people on the Traders Hangouts, they've been helping me learn how to paper trade on TradingView. And your boy it's like kind of easy, not gonna lie, for those Hangouts. When the flag forms and you just take it, it normally pays. Just saying. We're rolling back down here.
What time are you doing those trades at, or thinking about it? I'm just curious.
It would just be throughout the stream, to be honest, for the Traders Hangout, since the Traders Hangout starts at 9:30. So it's not something like I'm not trying to actively trade.
Yeah.
But just to put a trade on so people could see something happening on the flags. Because the first day I did like over $1,000-something, like close to $2 on the first day. Yesterday did over $1,000 last night. I'm like, this is pretty simple. Since it's moving so slow, you spot the flag. All right, cool. There's my flag. Let's wait for it to start getting some momentum, and you just execute. Quick reminder, this Friday we will not be having a stream. Friday for the morning session. My daughter's graduating from her elementary school to go into middle school.
Awesome.
So I will be at that, which starts, of course, at 10 a.m. I was like, they can't push it back for later? Like, this is crazy.
My son has, luckily, he has his graduation's tomorrow for high school at 1 p.m. Like, good. But then I have to go to another graduation on Friday at 8:30 in the morning. I'm like, I don't know about this.
I don't know. And we're still rolling down here. I'll be looking for that, like I said, 195.50 area to get tapped. Yeah, at this point, we may roll all the way down to the close from Friday, which is 173, and then the VWAP's below that. Oh, that's awesome, Niner. Congratulations. All right, I got less than 3 more minutes, and I'm officially clear to trade. Your boy's ready to execute.
Execution, contribution.
Yep. I'm not going to put it on the camera. We are having some fun on Friday's stream. I pulled some pew pew ammo out. Not since we're monetized, I'm not going to say the exact thing, of course. But I pulled out some of my green tips. And I got one on my desk to remind me that I'm a trained sniper in the markets.
Oh my goodness.
I know. It's crazy. All right, there's that 195.50. Just tapped it. There we go. Close from Friday. And the VWAP looks like it's up for grabs at this point. Craziness. Because if we get down to that VWAP, we're at least going to go down to the first original bull flag that's printed this morning. 122 area is where it started. That's where we'll be going to. Wouldn't this be a retracement, Mr. Moose?
On the 4 hour. Not right now.
Okay.
This is way too far down. Like, there's too many candles printed, and I don't know whether I don't know how to call it right now. To be honest.
No, listen, I appreciate your veiled honesty. It's humbling.
All right, 945's hit.
If we have a 15-minute up and it closes bullish, then that's the retracement. That'll be the retracement candle. Go down.
Let me give you guys the stats. The high for today's range. The high for today's range, 356. 356. Wow.
356, you said?
356, yeah. And the low of the range is looking like it's going to be 140. 140 is looking like it's going to be the low of today's range.
Mine is way off. Like, what in the world?
Actually, 356.25. 356.25 for that high.
Am I losing my mind? Maybe. Oh,
Or maybe I am. Who knows?
I know.
Hey, let's go, Niner. Good job, bro.
Don't mind me. I was trying to draw the box in the 30-minute candles. I was like, okay. Yeah, I'm done. This makes a lot more sense.
Close from Friday. 173. 173 is the close from Friday. VWAP's right below that. Just tapped it.
So what was the low? I'm sorry. 160?
The low, we're getting ready to break out here. Where's it at? 139.75.
Oh, 139.
Just broke it right there as well. Back right into the 15-minute range as well.
Boy, we got a lot of action going on. I'm gonna take a nap.
Well, we either gotta lose this VWAP with some good follow through, or we may start trying to go back up here. I only said because we got these crazy buying wicks on the 2-minute candles. So it's letting me know that we got some buyers down here that are trying to step in.
Yo, this kid upstairs, he's a 2-year-old. This guy, he's definitely gonna be like a marathon runner. I swear to God, this kid, he doesn't run out of batteries.
He doesn't run out of batteries.
Guy's solar charged. Yo, right now he's running, and I swear to God, all it is.
No, when I moved, like it would have been like 8 years ago. I lived in an apartment, and the people upstairs, it was like the very first night I was living there. It sounded like they were doing parkour. So like I literally had to go upstairs, but hey, I just moved in below you guys. Just got home from work. Can you guys like keep it down a little bit for me, please? And mind you, I'm in the full gear, my OPG gear with the vest, everything like that. But I'm like, what are they doing? It's that all you hear is like footsteps. Then in the kitchen, like just all over the house. I'm like, what is going on up there?
That's how this kid is. And then I go upstairs, and the mother's like, "Hi." Like, oh my God, lady.
Hi, Moose. You want to come over and have a souffle?
No, listen, she's crazy, yo. That little kid runs the house. Literally runs the house. He doesn't go to bed till like 1 in the morning.
That's crazy.
Yeah, like,
that's my kid on the weekends. He goes to bed late, but it's the weekend.
Yeah, no, this kid, he's got no job. Man, I haven't even taken anything right now.
Neither have I. I'm waiting. We got 10 minutes for news. 10 minutes for news here.
No retracement on no 2-minute candle, no 5-minute
I'm just waiting to see if we possibly get us a little bear flag to take us lower. Right now, it's very buoyant down here. Yeah, I'm not trying to get chopped today.
There's one time I was doing security. I was like a lieutenant, and I went. There was a Halloween party, so we just went. And everybody's really pissed off at us because they thought we were the cops that were arriving. I'm like, come on, man.
What was that though? Oh, that's why, because I put the Grand Cup on this. I was confused. I'm like, why did that? Oh, I only put. That's trash. Woosah, Duane, woosah. Let me pull my copy trader up here, because it did not just copy trade, because the Grand Cup thing messed it up. So now I'll switch to that one. All right. 250 on the first trade of the day. We'll gladly take that.
You took a buy?
I did. Yeah, it's a one contract for the minis, and I trade 2 minis, so I can't copy trade it. Unless I size it down on the copy trade. I could do that, actually. Let me actually do that.
Right, man.
No. Yeah, exact quantity. Let me not mess with that. So we're right here in the middle of the 15-minute range. We got a 21 EMA at 274.75, 274.75. Yeah, I'm still just waiting. Anticipating for another move here. Hey, first trade of the day. We're already green for the day. Well, let's add some more. Want to get away from the middle of this 15-minute range, because we don't want to diddle in the middle.
$226.
Hey, let's go, Moose.
I'm waiting for this to drop to be my 15-minute retrace. Hopefully it stays bullish.
No, baby. I just did a protein shake. No, I'm good, baby. I wasn't really hungry. Thank you, though. Okay, so that one copy traded, thankfully. Let me switch over to my Lucids. That was 360 on 3 accounts. I should have stayed in longer. The shoulda, woulda, couldas. I was just happy to get out of that trade green.
Just keep in mind that you have 4 minutes and change before the news.
Thank you, thank you. I am trying to see which Lucids I'm trading next. Oh, I got 3 of them. Okay. I was like, oh, that's weird. Mm-mm. 4 minutes for 10. 4 minutes till 10 here. Well, less than 4. Yeah, 4 minutes now.
3:57, a minute and a second ago.
We got news at 10. Yes, we got news at 10. Shouldn't be anything too crazy for the markets, to be honest.
This is showing up. This is showing up. This is showing up. I think we're gonna go up. Above EMA, above EMA, above EMA, above EMA. Well,
I want to see another flag for. I want to see a flag. Have a good one, Niner. Good job today. Come on, Betsy. Less than 3 minutes now for 10 o'clock news. Less than 3 minutes here. Bears trying to flip that candle. They're trying to flip that candle right there. And they did. Look at that.
Look at that wick on the 2 minute.
I know, that's a dirty one. Let me start doodling. Let me get multiple lines here, so we could see where we maybe try to go. We're right down here in the middle of this 15-minute range as well. That's oof. Oof.
Minute and a half warning for news.
Yep. Thank you, Steve. Working as a team. We're all working together so we can all print money together. It's either we're going to build a quick bull flag right here with some structure, or this thing may try rolling.
So it's either going to go up or down.
That it could go sideways. It could technically go sideways.
The odds are pretty good. 50-50.
Hey, and that's just if you know nothing about trading. You have a 50-50 chance of winning with it.
That's very true.
It's when you start adding a solid strategy, working on your psychology, where you can flip it from 50-50 to like a 80-20 to 70-30. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's when you can flip it in your favor a little bit more. I'll be looking for a long above the 21 EMA.
Well, you got 15 seconds.
Yep. I'm not. Oh, my hands are up. I don't know if anyone knows. I kept my hands up. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, thank you. I am not trying to get chopped.
Yo, I'm still
For a long or short?
For either direction. Because I see my 15-minute retrace.
Whoa,
right
look at that.
but Jesus.
Getting ready to break through my yellow line. Oh, tap the yellow line. And that's crazy. I got so excited. I'm watching my yellow line here. If we lose it with some follow through and momentum.
Touch the VWAP again, so. Fucking confused, man. Let's just walk away.
Be careful right here. We got the VWAP on the 2-minute approaching as well. That VWAP is sitting at 177.25. 177.25. Got some consolidation right here on the Rincos. If we break through that yellow line with momentum, that would be a good little strawberry. Haven't said that in a while. We're using my yellow line as support. Did not get filled in there. It went. Let's see if I get another chance to get back in on this.
Dwayne would like to see a flag.
Quick 140 right there. I closed super fast. Just a quick momentum scalp. I need to see a solid flag right now and make me excited. I need a solid flag. Come on, Betsy. Give us a flaggy flag. Too clean, too so far on the eval. Hey, keep it clean, bro. Keep it clean. All right, so we pushed through that 21, that VWAP, then rejected. I need sleep. Oh, I slept like a rock last night. I woke up in the same position I laid down in.
Jeez. Were you alive?
I woke up, so we'll take that at least.
We'll take that, yeah. I have a king size bed, and I swear to God, I sleep in the first 6 inches on the side of it. Like, I don't move at all.
Like,
I toss and turn in the same area.
That's crazy. Like, when my girl is gone, I'll slide over to like the middle of the bed. But if our son tries jumping in the bed with us late night, he'll come in the room and climb in the bed. I'll wake up and I'm like, who's kicking me in my face right now?
My son used to wake up. I mean, he used to sleep with me, like me and my son's brother. And all of a sudden, I get a foot and my ribs. I'm sitting down, weighing across us. I'm like, what the hell how do you sleep, bro?
sporadically.
Absolutely.
Let me check if this copy trade worked, because that would have been, and it did. We'll take that. So I may decisions. I'm gonna wait to see if we get one more solid move. Actually, no. I'm gonna switch over to the Grand Cup Tradeify account. Since I put money in funded accounts, everything like that. Now I gotta size down one contract because you can only trade one mini. We broke out the 15-minute range and came pulled right back in.
I actually signed up for, the cup thing, but I haven't used the prop down for so long. I don't even want to try to reconnect it.
Okay. Yeah, my whole goal with this is just going to be base hitting. That's it. $135 first trade.
Order filled.
I heard that. Who did that?
That was Jose. Oh, I should have held. Look at that. So 365 so far on this Tradeify Cup account. Trading one. Wow, that was a quick little knee jerk right there. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, it's crazy. I did.
Is about to print a bear flag.
Say that again?
I said from the look on the Ringo chart, it had looked like it was about to print a bear flag, but
yeah.
Different now.
Well, we broke out that 15-man range to the low side for a second, and then the bull stepped right in and pushed it right back up. So that low of that 15-man range is being protected by the bulls currently. They don't want to give it up. Middle of the 15-minute range tab right there. I may take another long if we get through this middle of the 15-minute range. If we get through the middle of it with some good momentum, I may take another long here. What type of reaction was that? That's crazy.
That's crazy. No, the market's nuts right
Yeah, I'm not liking how it's acting. I may kill this. Yeah, this thing is wild right now.
More minutes till the 15-minute candle ends. We should chill.
Not liking how this price action's moving right there.
Not at all. I think it'll come up to 281 at least. I have an EMA up there.
Okay.
50, which is not far from where it's going right now.
Yeah, we're above the 21 EMA, but we're sitting right here in the middle of this 15-minute range. And that's where I gotta call it with clicking buttons, because we keep having chopping right here in this middle.
There's also a little zone, right? At 251, right?
251?
Yeah, look at the hour. Like the little that zone that it marks up
On the hour, we got that pivot point at 252.
Yeah, there. That's what I'm talking about.
That's interesting, because I was like, what are we rejecting off of? And we on the hour candle, we got a pivot at the 252. No, I'm not fiddling. No, sir. Travis, I'm not fiddling. And this was the Tradeify's cup account. I already put money in my fundeds that I traded today, so I'm just going to keep base hitting in this account if we get another move. If not, I'll let the first day be 455. Trading with one contract. What was that?
I closed because it was bouncing back and forth. I closed at $20 and it closed at negative 160. I'm so mad.
Jesus. Yeah, that's that slippage we don't like.
Yo, what the oh, man.
Have a good one, Mikey. Have a good day.
I want to punch my computer.
No, don't punch your computer.
No. Alexa.
Alexa.
You see, look, and it still went. No, it's not for you. Stop listening.
Stop listening.
Swear to God. So annoying.
Now, see, that's why I like having Alexas and all that stuff, because it's like they're always listening.
Take the ball. Man, yo. Punch him in the face.
Dang.
Your computer has a face. It's getting weirder all the time.
So annoying.
Everything's always listening. Yeah, 100%. But I'm not purposely going to know that it's listening. You know what I'm saying? Like, I turned off my Siri. So if I say, hey, Siri, it's not going to say anything because I turned it off. Like, no. No, thank you. Yeah, right now we're going sideways in the middle of this 15-minute range.
so annoyed right now.
Wait for the next move, bro. You got this.
I'm gonna wait till 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. No, because we have news at 11. I think. Yeah, we do. Oh man.
Is there anything at 10:30 or no?
No, not 10:30.
Okay. 30, baby.
10, 11, and 11:30.
So we had a little bull flag form that I took a little bit there, but I feel like we're going to try running up to the high of this range here.
Thanks for playing with me. It's always fun to play chess.
I'm like, whoa, who's playing with you? Whoa, yo.
I'm playing with you, buddy. Pause. Wait, what are you playing with over there?
I'm not playing with anything.
He's got his green tips out.
They are out. They are out. What did we just reject off of? That's crazy. I have no clue what we just rejected off of, but that was wild.
A 50 EMA at 280.
A 50 EMA?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't have that on my chart.
And then we also had right below at 253, 251, 252. We had the pivot. Do you have any tracer for that? That's what we've been needing.
What were we needing?
The music.
Oh, we had music.
Oh, maybe I was so angry I wasn't hearing it. All of a sudden I feel relaxed. I don't know. We should just leave this alone. It's too much going on. So 5 minute retrace right here. Oh shit.
What's up, Tim? Another day in paradise, bro. We're sitting right here above the middle of the 15-minute range. Feel like it's going to want to go down, but it's doing the weird little chop. So I closed out to wait for us to get some cleaner moves. This is the Grand Cup that I'm currently down in right now with Tradeify. Took one too many trades on it, but we're going to clean it up.
I should go make breakfast.
I want to be like you when I grow up, Travis. Be like yourself, bro. Right now, we've been consolidating, so. We got that VWAP below us. Hey. Yep. Back test. Do your thing, bro. I'm up in all my funded accounts, everything like that I traded. This is the Tradeify Cup account that I was up. I took extra trade. Yeah, don't give nothing back, bro. That's why I'm not touching any more funded today. Base hits and rotate. That's it. Right now, this thing's just choppy and consolidating. Yeah, I'm not going to trade this cup account anymore. Have you experienced with any other type of bars besides Rinkos? I mainly stuck to the Rinkos because those were what I liked. I've tried the standard candlesticks. I really just stuck to standard candlesticks and Rinkos, to be honest.
Bobby, stop it. Oh, I swear to God. My dog, I mop the floor every day because my dog acts like I don't feed him and he licks the floor. Like, what are you licking the floor for? Then I go and I mop the floor every day. Here we go. This guy gives me more chores than my kids.
Well, he likes your floor.
Yeah, what flavor is the floor coating?
A little ceramic. little ceramic with a little bit of dirt on it.
With a little dirt on it.
I swear, bro, this guy. Yo, get a bulldog. They said it would be fun.
There's the VWAP tab. Finally.
I've had other dogs, but both my bulldogs have been classic, bro. Those guys. They don't live in our world. We live in theirs. I'm sure anybody that has a bulldog, an English bulldog, can relate.
I always wanted a dog, but it's like having another kid.
Yeah. Look.
I already got 3. I don't need a 4th.
Listen, right now I gotta travel, right? And because he's not neutered, he's a chunk of a penny, right? I'm not gonna neuter him. And a lot of places they won't take him because he's not neutered. Like, no. So now I gotta find somebody to be able to hold him for me for like 3 days so I can go travel, do what I gotta do.
Yeah.
Yes. Or drive to Jersey.
So like the kennels are concerned that it's like he's gonna knock up some dogs, huh?
Yeah, man. Like, man, this guy's that handsome, yo. He's gonna get every dog in there. Come on now. My dog's a whore, but he's not a cheap whore. You know, the minute my dog meets another dog, he tries to hump it. I'm like, yo, you little horny bastard. What are you doing? Relax. We're going to jail.
We're going to jail.
Crazy. My dog has character, bro.
Well, yeah, I mean, you kind of character yourself.
Imagine. You know what's crazy? Him and I, every morning. It's not him and I. It's more I argue with him every morning when I walk him. Come on, stop walking. Stop doing this. Stop hugging. I'm the only one heard on the street at 8 o'clock in the morning talking shit to my dog. My dog is crazy.
So we broke out the 15-minute range once again and pulling right back in. Are we finally going to get the full break here? Rob, have a good workout, bro.
All right.
So the low of this 15-minute range today, Bulls have been trying to protect it. Bulls have been trying to protect it. Yeah, on that trade, I think I'm going to be done. And it's 10:30. Hey, we'll take that. All right, breaking out the 15-minute range once again. Let's see if we clear. All right, just cleared a previous wick. Bull stepping in once again.
Liquidity grab, grabbing it.
Tonight, we got the traders hanging out. Tonight, traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We're talking trading. We're talking life. I may even trade an eval during the hangout. We'll see how I'm feeling. So for the chat, are we up? Are we down? Are we all around? Let me know in the chat. If you're winning, if you're losing, if you're flat, let me know. BP must have slept in today.
Hey, it's a Monday. What do you expect? You know, everybody sleep over, get up.
Whew. Look at that. Just took out Friday's low. I got a target at 29,032. 29,032. I would love to see a flag. I would love to see a flag. But 29,032 looks like it's going to get swiped. Okay, so I just scratched on that trade? Okay.
We're actually gonna make moves right here.
Here comes the 32. All right, through it. There we go. Noah, it's okay, bro. Listen, you got out because you're trying to protect capital. At the end of the day, that's the best thing you could do for yourself. Even if you didn't get the move you wanted, you protected capital still. We got pivot at 969.75, 969.75. Oh, Nellies, we're getting ready to break back into the 28,000. Did something come out? I'm confused right now. Here we come. 28,000s. We're back in the 28s. Oh, Nellies. Oh, Nellies.
Well, I should have paid attention to my 4-hour EMA. My direction was down. I don't know why I kept thinking. I don't know what I was thinking.
Oh, I got tagged in. I was trying to close it too. Yeah, I closed that.
From here now, I want to see a 15-minute retrace.
I would love to see a bear flag. Let's see if we get a bear flag down here. Let's see. I want to go back to some Tradeify accounts, but I'm not going to. I'm done executing trades. I want to so bad, but I ain't going to do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it, Captain. Don't do
No,
it.
we ain't doing it. But we may get a little bear flag. I would honestly want us to use the 31.75 level as like our top of this point here. If I'm looking for the flag, I want to see that 31.75 act as some resistance for the market, keep us down. As we're like pushing slightly through it there. All right, bump what I'm saying, market. What do I know? I'm clearly nothing. Zig, I did. I took multiple trades today, bro. You're late to the party. So we didn't even touch that pivot. That was at the 96925 level. Interesting. Yeah, if it's a waiting game, let's see what we get. Let's say we build a little bear flag, which is possible.
News just came out.
What news came out?
Says Wall Street mixed as Treasury yields ease. Oil, something about oil. It went away. Oh, hold on. Oil prices retreat. Wall Street mixed as Treasury yields ease. Oil prices retreat. Okay. In English?
You said Wall Street retreats?
As Wall Street mixed as Treasury
Okay.
yields ease.
Okay. Yeah, so all Wall Street, they're like mixed reactions based off the yields that got put out today. That's all that means. Let's see if we get a bear flag here. Wait for the A++ setup, folks. Wait for that A++ setup. No reason just to jump in because you see the market moving. Wait for your move. And then execute. Where's my copy trader? Just in case. You know what I'm saying? Just in case. Oh, no, not trying to do those. Where's my Tradeify? Look at that buying wick right there. Makes me not want to take a short, I'll tell you that. That buying wick right there does not make me want to take a short. I'm ready to work out today. Yeah, I got a feeling since it's the first day of the week, my guy's going to have me running. So I got to wear some running shoes today. Yeah, right now I'm just waiting to see what we get on this 2-minute chart. I feel like bulls are want to push, but we could be building structure for a bear flag. I have not gotten the bullish confirmation, aka a bull flag, getting printed. It's 10:43. Yeah, I may just turn my mouse off so I can't trade anymore. Looks like we're running back up to this 15-minute range, low of the range.
We're gonna touch the VWAP again, right?
The VWAP on the 2 minutes sitting up there at 171.25. Right here, the bears would have to step in pretty aggressive to keep this as a bear flag. If they don't, then we may start trying to go up. I want to see a bull flag print, though, for me personally, to feel a little bit more comfortable. We're at that whole number as well, that 100 level. Just peep that. Is this going to be an A+ bear flag? Bring this line over. This is looking like a bear flag. Yeah, let me stop. I was getting ready to click a button. I don't like the feeling I was just receiving. So, nope. I'm done executing today. Locking in my profits and running. Let's go higher. Let's stand for the rest of this session. Since I'm only going to be on live for another like 14 minutes.
Reserve. We're up 745.
Hey, let's go, Moose.
You got that retracer right there.
Like this is to me looking like a nice A+ bear flag, but I'm just not trying. I want to, I deep down want to, but base hits. I already did base hits today. I'm not trying to be greedy. Crazy. That'd been a nice ride down. That's all I'm gonna say. That'd been a nice ride down right there. And we're saying, well, we're below now, but that first target we had was 29,032.25. And now that we're below there, we're above that target. Let's see. I got 3 more trading days this week. Let me read this email real quick. Jose, just seeing your text, bro. Yeah, we could definitely talk. I feel a little bit better that the market pushed up the way it did slightly because it's keeping me from wanting to jump in. I'm green on the day, red in the Tradeify cup account, but I don't care about that thing. That's just if we do something with it, we do. If not, I don't care. Tonight, reminded Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We're talking trading, we're talking life, everything in between. Unk, what's up, bro? How you feeling today? How you doing? Hopefully you were staying safe today in these crazy old markets. I made my money and now I'm just chilling. I copy traded like 8 accounts today, so we're chilling. Come on, Betsy. Look, we got that selling wick right there. I'm hands off at this point. I'm officially hands off. I'm not touching this thing with a 10-foot pole. But I am happy. Monday, green Mondays. We love green Mondays because they set you up for the rest of the week. And all I did was simple base hits. I don't know how you guys trade. I don't know what your strategy is, everything like that. But if you adopt using base hits while you're trading, you will make more money. And we're all here for the same thing. We all want to make freaking money. So in order to make money consistently, get consistent payouts for prop firms, get funded accounts, right? You have to do base hit. I'd rather base hit for half a month in an account, get it funded, base hit the rest of the month, right? And get a payout by taking that pressure off. Yeah, right now this thing's like, it looks like it. The bears want the price going up, going down. The bulls want the price going up. It doesn't know what it wants to do. So I already made my money. I'm not touching it. Why do you trade funded instead of options or stocks? I do long-term holds on stocks and crypto. I don't trade options, but I day trade futures. And I have one live brokerage account, but I mainly use my prop firm accounts because it's just a better risk to reward. Way less money you gotta invest in order to take out substantial payouts. Just saying. I okay. That's a loaded question, bro. That's a loaded question because for me, I've never traded options, so I don't know how it flows, everything like that. But I love trading futures. I freaking love trading futures. So on that note, since I love trading futures, I'll always recommend trading futures because once you get it, you're pretty much set. Anybody who supports funded prop firms is a fool. Bro, you must not know how to get payouts. That's all that is. The whole thing, you're not paying the $100 to trade some paper account, right? You pay the $100 so you're able to get the eval, so you can get funded, so then you can get payouts off your $100. Like, you're not paying the $100 to practice. You're paying the $100 so you have the opportunity to get payouts from that prop firm. The benefits of going with the prop firm instead of like loading up your own personal money in a brokerage account is you're able to have less risk in the markets. Because if you're trading, like my personal trainer, he trades his personal capital as well. But when he loses on a day $2,500, $3,000, he lost $3,000 of his own personal funds. Whereas say I lose $3,000 trading a prop account and I blow the account, I lost $100. So would you rather risk 3,000 or 100? I'll go with the 100 every day of the week. No, 100% you can. But if you want to really scale with futures, you want to have a decent sized account. Like for me, I trade the Nasdaq. How much does a prop firm charge you a month? They don't charge, the ones I trade with don't charge per month. It's a one-time payment. And once you pay that one time and you pass your eval, you get put in a funded account where you can take payouts from. So I consistently take out between 8 to 10 grand a month from prop firms in payouts. In each account, I would only invest $100. Just saying. That's why I choose them over live brokerage accounts, because you have less risk and a easier reward. Because you don't have that same level of risk. Bro, you already know, fam. Listen, I kind of put myself back a little bit this month with my PA accounts from Apex. But I told myself, listen, hey, let's just get the consistent payouts. And then from those consistent payouts, we're going to redo some Apex PAs, everything like that. And then even if it happens in June, right? Even if it happens in June where I make the 40 to 50K in a month from trading, I'm still happy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I took that pressure off. I was putting so much pressure on myself where I'm like, I have to get it now. That I have to get it now mentality was what bit me, so to speak. So on my Tradeify, my Lucid accounts, I'm just base hitting. We're going to get a couple payouts before the end of the month, just so we're getting those consistent payouts. And we're just going to keep leveling up. That's it. I need one more account with Tradeify to be fully funded with them, with 5 fundeds. I need 2 accounts with Lucid to be fully funded with them. There's 11 o'clock as well. So we're just going to wait to see what we get. Because just off those 2 firms, once I'm fully funded with both, I could literally make 20 grand a month just getting one payout per account of 2 grand. Like, and when I thought about that, I'm like, you know what? One, they pay way faster than Apex. And two, I'm like, why was I pushing so hard? Like, I really had talked to myself and be like, D, why are you pushing? There's no reason to. You get fully funded with Tradeify and Lucid. They pay the fastest from all of the prop firms, and you'll be able to at least make 20 grand a month. I'm sure all y'all watching right now will be okay with 20 grand a month, base freaking hitting. And that's it.
Hey, Duane, let them know too how you scaled it little by little, just as a business, and now for like a little copy trade of maybe 300, you really make so much just base hitting.
No, 100%. Like, I'm not telling you guys watching right now, go out and buy all these accounts right away. No, don't do that. You get your first account, you get your payout, you reinvest $100 to get another account, and you do that over time so you can have multiple funded accounts. Because the whole goal trading with prop firms, the hack with prop firms is having multiple accounts with all these prop firms so you can get multiple payouts per firm. And for me, I'm a numbers guy. I don't know about y'all. I'm a numbers guy. You already know $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. But when you make it even simpler, right? Where for a payout with Tradeify or Lucid, the payouts that I like the 2 grand payouts per account. That's like my sweet spot, 2 grand per account. That means you need to make for the month, 4 grand in that account to take 2 grand out. So let's do 4,000. Put it, where's my, before I jump off the stream. So there you go. So I put 4,000 there, right? Don't know. It's not focusing, but I put 4,000 there. Then you're going to hit divide by 20 because you only have 20 trading days. You need to make $200 a day for the month. Yes, blurry. It's blurry, but you need to make $200 a day for the entire month. Some days you can make $600, other days $150, but your base needs to be $200 a day that you're trying to get. You do that for 20 trading days, you just paid yourself 2 grand. But once you get that first payout, you add another account. You spend $100, get another account. So the next month, now you do the same exact thing. Now you take 4 grand. The next month after that, 6 grand. You know what I'm saying? That's how you scale for long term. I don't know about y'all. I'm trying to do this long term, not short term. But that's all I got for today, boys. I'm going to be jumping off here because I got to handle some work. I got to shut this computer down because your boy ain't trading no more. I'm done. We made our money. I'm running away. Send some invoices out for the businesses and keep it pushing. So with that being said, tonight traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern. I will see all you guys tonight for my market makers, Moose, Carmono. Stay safe in these markets, boys. Nothing but love. Have a good day, gentlemen.
You too. See you tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Oh, hey, question. Quick question.
Yeah.
You have an event Friday. Haircut Thursday?
We'll see. I'll let you know because I'll probably shave my head today or tomorrow.
Okay.
So that way it's at least clean enough for Friday so you can do it on Saturday.
Okay. Well, just let me know tomorrow the latest.
Okay, I got you.
All right, cool. Later.
Yes, sir. All right, you two, be blessed. I'm out. Deuces.